So here, let's take a look at this one. It says, write down the equation of the line that passes through the points. Can you see the screen? Okay
Yes, ma'am.
lang?
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
write down the equation of the line that passes through the points 2, -1, 3, and 1, 4, -3. And you're asked to write down all three forms of the equation of the line. So for you to be able to write down the equation of the line, you need actually a vector v that will be parallel to the line, and you also need a point on the line. Okay? So meron na tayong point on the line which is 2, -1, 3. In fact, may isa pa na 1, 4, -3. Now, because this is on the line, we can make actually a vector on the line which is 2, -1, 3. So, hindi lang siya parallel. It actually will pass through these points. No? This can be any vector as long as it's parallel to the line. So, in general, it will not lie in the line, pero posible na mag-lie sa line. No? If you make use of these 2 points, it will actually lie in the line. So, kaya sabi niya, however, in this case, it will. So, all we need to do is to compute for this vector. How do we do that? So, since these 2 points are on the line, the vector between them will also lie on the line. And because it actually lies in the line, therefore, parallel siya to the line. So, what is this vector? This vector can now be, we have 2 minus 1 will give us 1. -1 minus 4 will give us -5. And then 3 minus of -3 will give us 6. Do you remember? Ganyan yung mag-compute ng vector? Naalala niyo? Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So the vector is now vector with components 1, -5, 6. Ayaw naman next. Okay. So note that the order of the points was chosen to reduce the number of minus signs in the vector. As I've said, pwedeng the other way around, no? Yung, paano ba natin ibalik? Ito, instead na you can have 1 minus 2. Pag 1 minus 2 ang lalabas, -1. Then pag 4 minus of minus 1, maging +5. Pag minus 3, you will have -6. Pwede pa rin yun na vector. Okay? Para lang clear na pwede yun na vector. Pero sabi niya, the order of the points was chosen to reduce the number of minus signs in the vector. So once we've got the B, there really isn't anything else to do. Why? To use the vector form, we only need a point on the line. So anong point on the line? Pwede natin gamitin any. Dalawa yung points. So if you already have your 2, -1, 3 plus T, 1, -5 is your ABC. Ito yung na-solve natin, no? So yeah, V is 1, -5, 6. So pag lagay natin dito, you have DABC. This is our ABC, di ba? It's our ABC, yung vector V. That becomes A or ABC. We now have T1, -5, 6. And we have your point 2, -1, 3. Pwede rin gamitin yung isang point. Yung point na 1, 4, -3. Can also make use of that one. 1, 4, -3. And come up with the following vector. This is 2 plus T, -1, minus 5T. No? -1 minus 5T, ito. And then you have 3 plus 60. 3 plus 60. So once you have this equation, the other forms will follow na. So you now have your parametric equation. How do we get your parametric equation? You will have x equals 2 plus t. Itong x ninyo. Ang y ninyo is -1 minus 5t. Okay? And then z is equal to 3 plus 60. Ang symmetric form, you have x, ilipat lang yan. X minus 2 over, understood ng variable is 1 there. So over 1. Y plus 1, diba? Paglipat dun, maging plus. Over -5. And z minus 3 over 6. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, let us take a look at this one. Determine if the line that passes through the point 0, negative 3, 8, and is parallel to the line given by x equals 10 plus 3t, y equals 12t. So, ito is an equation of a line. So, meron kang line na nag-pass through ani nga point. Tapos, ani daw na line kay parallel gihapon sa aning equation sa line. So, ito na yung problem na iiwan ko sa inyo. You try to take a look at this one, and if you have questions, then you can ask me later.